Hello, welcome to the Pedestal Wife Society. My name is Braille. So, how to get out of masculine energy? I really thought about this topic and how I wanted to approach it because I felt like that, yes, there's some wonderful information out there. But I know in particular, when you come at the perspective of you're doing something and this determines what you're doing for it to be masculine or feminine energy is overall is masculine. And this is the reason why I think having conversations more along the lines of feminine energy and masculine energy and how do we utilize these things correctly will be so helpful for women, especially women who are kind of stuck in that masculine energy. When you're thinking that you're stuck in that masculine energy, I want you to stop thinking that you are masculine because you're working a job. That doesn't determine masculine energy. I want you to stop thinking that you're masculine because you're a boss babe, because you're a business owner, because you're a CEO. That doesn't determine masculine energy. I want you to stop thinking that you're masculine energy because you spoke up for yourself, because that doesn't determine masculine energy. Masculine energy is literally the thinking, the being in your head, the over analyzing, the what if, the scenarios. The feminine energy is being present, being in your body, honoring your feelings, emotion, desires, and dreams. So, since we have like somewhat of a clear, well, maybe not so clear, uh, idea of what feminine and masculine energy is, let's talk about how to get out of it. You want to get out of your head, you want to get out of the thinking. You want to get out of the what if. You want to get out of the what is next, the over analyzing. You want to be able to come home every single day, or just maybe not even just come home. Maybe you just want to go in your business the next day and you want to be lead, you want to lead in that feminine energy. The thing is, the biggest issue with women who are in that operating that masculine energy is because they don't know that the masculine energy is your support. Your energy, the energy that you utilize, the energy that can either be drained or depleted or increased or and thrive, that energy is support and service. The feminine energy is the energy that you want to lead with in all areas of your life so that you'll see abundance and growth and thriving instead of just surviving. And since you want to make sure that you're getting out of your head and out of the what if and out of the scenarios and out of that masculine energy, you're going to have to learn how to utilize your own masculine energy for support and your environment for support also. You're going to have to, in order to get out of that masculine thinking and get into your body, regardless if you're going home or you're going into the business, you need to have ways to get there. Either get into your body through dancing, to moving your body and moving your hips. I think the most powerful way to jump into your body is moving your hips. Moving your hips. You don't even have to have a beat. You don't even have to have music. Just moving your hips and getting in your body so you feel how your body is moving around. You feel how your hands are moving. You feel and you know where your fingers are. You just get into your body, get present, get into, slip into your being. And when you slip into that being, then slip into what feels good to you. This way you can utilize your environment. Because the hardest thing that women who operate in just their head and they stay in their head is they don't know how to utilize the environment. They don't know how to utilize their masculine support. Either that is the support that you have, that you because you have masculine energy also, or that is the support of the environment. We literally stay in an automated society. Everything can come to you, everything can be done. So, why are you in your body thinking and worrying and contemplating and trying to figure it out when you can get in your body and do what feels good to you? Do what feels that's going to be helpful for you to utilize your environment. Instead of sitting here worrying about, oh, what am I cooking for dinner? Baby, either hire someone to cook, Put something in the crock pot. Take more things off of your plate. That will keep you in your feminine energy. The less that you have on your plate, the less that you have to worry about, the less that you have to think about, the less that you get stuck in your head on replay and repeat, the more that you're in your body and in your pleasure and present, the more you'll be in your feminine energy. Just learn how to utilize your environment as support. You have so many options for women who work or boss babes or CEOs that you can still be in your feminine energy because you can delegate. I feel like delegation and delegating is a feminine, just a feminine word overall because being in your body and being present, you learn how to delegate things so that they can be of support. The thing is, when you're utilizing the support of your environment and utilizing your masculine energy as support, you can stay in your feminine energy. You can be present, you can be in your body. Either and getting there, you can dance and move those hips. You can make sure that you recharge and stop allowing yourself to get depleted. When was the last time you made that spa appointment? When was the last time you got your hair done? When was the last time you got your nails done? When was the last time you did something for fun? Do you know that when you are spending time with your friends and y'all are kiki and y'all are having your drinks and you're just eating your food, that is communication, that is connection, that puts you in your body. When you're just laughing and y'all are just having a great time. So if you immediately want to utilize when you're coming home from work and you've been here all day until you get to the level of being in your body all day at work. You've been here all day because you're still in that journey. The one of the first things you can do is turn on something in your car that make you laugh. Turn on something in your car that make you want to move your body and move your hips. Turn on something that's going to get you in your body and make you present so that you can feel and you can honor your feelings and emotions and desires. So these are ways that can help you to get out of that masculine energy. The thing is, we have to stop thinking that, oh, it's masculine because I'm working. It's masculine because I'm a boss babe. It's masculine because I'm a CEO. It's masculine because this and this and this, nanny, 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 nanny. It's masculine. Stop thinking along the lines of how do I not utilize my masculinity. Think about how can I use my masculine energy as support? How can I spend more time in my body in pleasure and overflow? How can I spend more time being present? How can I delegate? What in my life and in my environment that can support me and I can delegate things out so I have more time to be present. I have more time to be in my body. I have more time to be in pleasure. So utilize and figure out how to be more fluid in that masculine and feminine energy. Because I'm never going to say that masculine energy is a bad thing. It isn't. It isn't a bad thing. Even if you were a stay at home mother, you would still have to utilize masculine energy because you would have to be able to organize meals for your children. You have to be able to schedule activities. You would have to lead your children, you have to do certain things that's going to keep you in your masculine energy, even as a stay-at-home mother. So this whole conversation of not having any, I feel like is a new point because we have to have the masculine energy. It's an absolute need. What we need to do is learn how to lead our lives, our businesses, our friendships, our relationships in feminine energy. Learn how to utilize masculine energy as a support role. Learn how to utilize our environment as support. Learn how to be in our body and be in pleasure. Delegate, baby. Delegate. This is how you can get out of your masculine energy. Is you learn how to delegate. You learn how to take more and more off of your plate. The more you add on, I want you to start subtracting. The more that you subtract, I want you to have more time in your body and being present and being there and available to your family, being there available to your friends, being there available to your husband or your spouse or your current boo. Just be present and be in your body and get more into the practice of being in that feminine energy. And you'll see an entire change in your life. You'll see an entire change in your attitude. You'll see an entire change of your stress. Your stress is going to reduce because you're more in your feminine energy, and your entire day is just a big ball of pleasure, a big ball of fun. Your entire life is just, I hate to say, be so cliche and say love and light, but your life is enjoyable because you're in your feminine energy. And I hope this has been helpful. And I know it's a different perspective, but hopefully you'll stay again and come back again to see me, and do so by making sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.